Hey guys, here we are at the Brauer residence. He's looking at replacing this furnace right here. Not sure on the air conditioner, but this is a fairly new coil. It's an R410 coil. So they must have put an R22 piston inside of it. He's got double stacked air cleaners over here. A return drop on the side. And the drains all go right down here. The PVC is existing. Those there, it's 3-inch PVC. Then the Freon lines run up and overhead, and he's not sure whether he's going to replace the air conditioner or not, but it runs out here. And the AC, the lines run down, and the AC is right here on the side of the house. So. All right, appreciate it. Thanks.